join me in welcoming Mr. Cleo Franklin.
Thank you. Thank you, Tony.
Artificial intelligence to emotional intelligence, these algorithms, these processes, these constructs are coming from people that are thinking and are taking the gloves off and thinking broadly. Because I want to talk about these forces and what we see on the horizon relative to future business trends. The technology is going to have to be able to discern, just like everybody in this room, you're different, you're unique, and have that type of intelligence, that deeper learning. That's what's going to happen, folks. Transitioning from predictive behavior, historical behavior, it's not just Alexa, play my favorite song. Alexa's going to know what kind of mood you're in, and without asking, play your favorite song. It's also your TV as you're watching it. It's going to understand, she's a little depressed. He needs someone to deliver him Taco Bell. I'm not going to have to ask for it. It's going to happen. That is the transition of future trends. I talked about Amazon. Look at this. Within their factory, they had Kiva robots. In the past, where people would run to and fro to fetch, search, seek, get items for packing and shipping, robots do it. You may not be able to change the world, folks, but you can make a difference. You're going to need to know three things: markets and how they work, an organization system that gets you integrated for productivity and efficiency, and basically it helps you stay informed, and technology, the deployment of that technology, but to also stay tuned to what's happening, because forces are just like the river, and better to flow with it than against it.